1, 2, 3.
It's back to school in the Allerton section. That's where community leaders join New York State Assemblymember Nathalie Fernandez in Zimmerman Park, located at 650 Britton Street, to celebrate the start of a new school year. So tell me what you got in here.
Two folders and a notebook and pens, a bunch of pens.
I'm looking forward to school because then I can see all my friends and I can have more time outside.
We're fully open. The only thing we require is everyone to wear a face mask.
Also joining them, the New York Public Library.
We just reopened. We're starting to do indoor programming again. There are so many resources that are available to the public, and we want to make sure they know that they have access to it for free.
Going forward, I would love to open up the Park House.
While it is a celebration, a group that provides after-school programs and basketball tournaments here is hoping for more to be added through upgrades that would include the reopening of this recreation center located in the center of the park that for decades served the children of the community, yet now is currently closed due to asbestos conditions.
We can have a place where you can run different programs, from the basketball tournament, the flag football, also daycare centers.
Assemblymember Fernandez shared the Parks Department is aware of the project and plans are underway in the next year to fund a capital project. In Zimmerman Park, Arlene, Mukoko for BronxNet.